The NILI Resource Center contains digital heritage items and dictionaries for language communities. It also contains other resources to serve all communities. NILI Publications, if you scroll down on the home page and go to Browse by Community to NILI Publications, this contains research work done by scholars associated with NILI and the language communities it serves. These are accessible for you to download by clicking on the item. Then, just under the item, click on the PDF link to open it. From there, you can download it. The link for this is usually at the top right of the page. Now I will go back to the Resource Center by clicking on the back arrow on my browser. Then I will go back to the home page by clicking on the symbol at the top left of the screen. Another resource is the image library. Again, scroll down to Browse by Community and choose Image Library. This library contains images any community can use for language learning and teaching purposes. Scroll down and click on Browse All Digital Heritage in Image Library. The best way to use the library is the same as the community pages. Scroll down to Collections on the right side of the screen and see available collections. These include blank storybooks, such as the Three Bears storybook, which contains images for creating your own storybook in your language. I will return by clicking on Image Library in the brown box at the top of the page. There are also collections with images that show steps for processes that can be used for making how-to books and how-to videos in your language. Drawing bear grass, for example. This contains images that can be used for explaining how to dry bear grass. Click on the title to access the image. On the image page, you will see metadata about the image on the right side, as well as a summary below the image. Click on Access Image to fully open it. Then you can download it from your browser. One rather difficult way to do this is to click on your browser menu, the three dots on the right side in Chrome, then go to More Tools and click on Save Page As. Another way is to push Control S on PCs or Command S on Macs, and it will bring up the same Save menu. Then to return and download more in this series, click on the back button in your browser. Then to go back, I will click on the search results link in the brown box at the top of the page. Finally, to return to the image library, I will click on Image Library at the top of the page. To return to the NILI resource homepage, click on the NILI symbol at the top left of the page. Thank you very much.